Hello everyone. This is a little late, but this is November's box. I had to redo the video. It somehow deleted it, so here we go. This is November's. This is November's Monster Bass. Let me open this up. And dig in here. Got it all. Nope. Got one more sticker in there. Okay. Alright. What's inside the box? Okay. To start with, we got the Mountain Dew looking logo. Mountain Monster Bass. I like that. That'll go on my boat. Alright. And we also have coupon in here. Let me block that. $15 cash card off of, some polarized sunglasses. I got until the end of next month. Okay, and then this lets you know what's in the box. This one was my very first box. It's the actual standard edition. Okay, so we're gonna start, and the first one would be the River to Sea. It'd be the Ruckus. There you go. Yeah, it's got some good rockers in there. This one is, let's see if you can see it, but that's good color. And I think that's, I don't know what actual color, yeah. There we go. That's a good looking lure. Alright, the next one would be by Lunker Hunt. That's just a little square bill. Got a little rocker in it. Yeah, I like that. I'd be fishing that. And that also, let's see if it'll come in. There we go. Let's see, 2-inch, quarter-ounce weight, 0 to 2.5 feet. It's actually a floating lure. I mean, that's nice. It definitely would work for me. I like that. Real lightweight. Got a rocker. I mean, actually, you won't tell me what's. Yeah, there we go. It's actually Night Rider. Is the color Night Rider. That's good looking. Okay, the next one would be Strike King. Okay, and there we go. And that's actually a peanut butter and jelly color. It's got that little rocker. I mean, that's nice. By Strike King. Okay, the next up would be the Z-Man. Minnow Z. Baby Bass. 3-inch, 6-pack. And we all know the reputation of Z-Man. I mean, these gonna last. I mean, I don't know if I tie that on to that Strike King or not. I mean, as far as trailer, what do y'all think? I mean, would that make a good, you think these would make, make a good trailer for that jig? I mean, it's worth a shot, but, I mean, I've got other things I could use for a trailer, but, I mean, but anyways. Okay, next up would be, well, we got some, little Mustad hooks here. Mustad KVD, treble hooks, size 6'4". I mean, eventually gonna need to replace, some of mine on the lures, but these are real sharp. And last but not least would be the steel shad. Now that, oh yes, I haven't fished one since I was a kid, but it's well worth giving it a shot. But it's a sexy shad. Oh, well, not sexy shad, but, steel shad. That'd work. Alright, if you want to leave me any comments or anything, leave them down below. And I just want to thank you for stopping at my channel, and thank you, and that's it.